Welcome back to another episode of Shade Tree Alex. And what do I got for you today? Today I'm going to teach you how to set up your sound in your Kia K4 a little bit. What you're going to want to do is hit your setup button over here, and it's going to bring you to the screen where you get a bunch of settings here. And you want to hit your sound button, and that's going to bring you to the sound setting. And the first option will be the premium sound. And from that option you can speed dependent volume control, automatically adjust the audio volume based on vehicle speed. I got mine set to off. And then start up maximum volume limit. It will limit the sound basically. If you got this thing bumping when you pull it in the middle of the night, it's not going to be so loud. Next, you got your position, where you can left, right, center of the sound. Next, after that, you got your tone for your treble, your mid-range, and your bass. I got mine set up a little bit higher than the standard. After that, you got the guidance, which will for your navigation. Sets various notification alert sounds and the voice type. Right now, I only have the navigation volume priority set, which is the media volume will be lowered during navigation guidance. You could also have the navigation guidance during calls, which will play the navigation and then mute the navigation with the steering wheel. Next up, we got the radio noise. Mine set right now to minimum noise reduction. Balances original FM sound with some reduction of the background noise. You can set it to maximum noise reduction or the original sound. After that, you got the driver assistance sound settings, which sets the volume of the warning sound. The hepatic warning activates the steering wheel, and vibration warning, which when you're driving, you're coming close to stop bend, you have beep, 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 and then it'll vibrate the steering wheel. Lane safety warnings also sound. Blind spot safety warning sound enables the blind spot safety warning sound, and driving safety priority, and parking safety priority. You can turn all these settings on and off. Next, after that, connected devices. We got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Well, if that helped you out, guys, please let me know. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.